Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to send money with Bizum without paying any fees in 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand Bizum's fee policy. Good news, Bizum transactions are generally free for users. Most banks don't charge any fees for sending or receiving money through Bizum. Step 2. Check your bank's terms. However, some banks may apply fees for specific operations or if you exceed certain limits. Always check your bank's terms and conditions to confirm. Step 3. Sending money with Bizum. To send money for free, open your bank app with Bizum integration. Select Bizum and enter the recipient's phone number or scan a QR code. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. No fees will be applied if you stay within your bank's free limits. Step 4. Avoid third-party fees. Be cautious when using third-party apps that claim to send Bizum money. Always use your official bank app to avoid extra fees. Tip: if you plan to send large amounts regularly, verify with your bank that no fees apply. That's how you send money with Bizum for free in 2025. Like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you soon.